All right, so we need to write an equation that matches this graph. So we're going to be looking at, we've got our x values are going to be the days and our y values are going to be the height. So you have to think, what are you doing to x to get to y? So I'm going to go ahead and create a function table. So at 0, the height is 8. At 1 day, the banana tree is now at 12 inches. On 2 days, we've got 16. 3 days, we've got 20, and it keeps on going in that steady pattern, so I don't really need to go any more beyond that. So I'm going to think, is this a one-step situation where I can do one thing and get to the next problem? And it's not going to be multiplication, because 0 times nothing is going to get me 8. So we'll try add. So maybe if we add 8, it works for the first one, but it doesn't work for any of the other ones. So that's not going to be it. So let me go ahead and get rid of those. So it's not plus 8. And if it's not multiplication, it's not addition, then that does tell me that this is going to be a two-step problem. So I'm going to be looking at the relationship between the y's. And I notice that the y value is increasing by 4 every time that the x value increases by 1. So that tells me that my equation is y is equal to 4 times x, and then I have a mystery math action that's going on. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in some numbers, and I'm going to use this first ordered pair. So I've got 8 is equal to 4 times 0, and then this mystery math action. Well, 4 times 0 is 8. So in order to get to 8, the mystery math action must be adding 8. So I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to try that with the next set of numbers. So I'm going to try 12. Is that 4 times 1 plus 8? And yes, that is. 16. Is that 4 times 2 plus 8? That is also it. And 20. Is that 4 times 3 plus 8, and that works as well. So this is our equation. Y is equal to 4x plus 8.